All right, good Tuesday morning, friends. Coming up on 5:08 right now, and it is another really nice start to your morning. If you want to get outside and get that early morning jog in, it's going to be a good morning to do it before it gets hot later this afternoon and especially later this week. Outside right now, sun just beginning to come up. You can just barely see a little bit of that first light off in the sky, and temperature's not feeling too bad right now. In fact, many of us waking up in the 60s. It's 63 this morning in Dyersburg, 64 in Olive Branch and Blytheville. It is 73 in Memphis. Many of us seeing clear skies, just a couple of friendly clouds out there. And we are keeping an eye on a little bit of fog. It's not as foggy as it was yesterday morning, but there is some patchy fog near Covington right now and along the Mississippi River down Highway 61 in the Delta between Tunica and Clarksdale. So if that's part of your morning commute, slow it down and remember to use your low beam headlights this morning. Otherwise, not a bad start to our day. Like I said, many of us in the 60s right now. We are all going to be in the 70s by around 8 a.m., 72 then. No chance of rain this morning. Looking mostly sunny to start the day. And honestly, this afternoon going to be pretty nice as well. We will see a couple of more clouds build in, but still no chance of rain. So you won't need the umbrella today. And you will notice it is a little warmer than it was yesterday. We were around 84 yesterday afternoon. Today, we are going to be around 90. And unfortunately, that is the beginning of a trend. Check out the heat index values for the next 5 days. It's going to be feeling like 91 today. That's not terrible, especially when you look at what's coming. Feeling like 105 Wednesday, 106 Thursday. Friday, that heat index going to be 111. Back to dangerous heat. We expect those heat advisories and heat warnings to be issued going in toward the end of the week. Taking a look at your upper level weather forecast, what's going on up in the clouds right now. That plays a big part in our weather down at the surface. We've got a big area of high pressure in the southwest, low pressure up in Canada. What that's going to do is kind of feed the jet stream right between the two. Now you're asking me, Trevor, why in the world are you showing me this? I really don't care. You should, because it is going to influence our weather pattern. Anytime that jet stream sets up in a pattern like this from northwest to southeast right over Memphis, we call that northwesterly flow aloft. And that northwesterly flow likes to carry thunderstorms into the area. So starting tomorrow, we are going to pick those rain chances back up, and we're going to get back into that summer-like weather pattern where each and every day we are going to have a chance of a storm. Wednesday through the weekend. Now, it's not going to rain every day in your specific neighborhood, but there will be spotty storms in the area again starting tomorrow for the rest of the week and into the weekend. And any of these thunderstorms could be a little stronger. Just like we have been seeing the last couple of months, damaging wind gusts are possible in the strongest storms, 50 to 60 miles an hour. Heavy flooding rain also not out of the question if you get caught under one of those heavy downpours. Good news is today that radar is completely clear. Get outside and enjoy the weather. By tomorrow afternoon, we do start to see some thunderstorms pop up. Here's around noon tomorrow, could be seeing some thunderstorms in West Tennessee, but it's looking like the best chance of storms tomorrow might actually be after sunset. We'll have some rain and storms coming in late Wednesday night into Thursday. So again, some good weather today, 90 with a few clouds. Just be aware, starting tomorrow for the rest of the week and the weekend, there is at least a chance of a pop-up storm each and every day. High temperatures really warming up, mid-90s by the end of the week. Again, those heat index values, because of the humidity, going to be feeling like around 110, maybe even 115.